Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial for ICONO. To start, all you need is a folder with all the videos you want to search. Put it in an empty folder. Start by copy-pasting the path to your video folder and click OK. Then click on Process all videos. You will see at the bottom that ICONO immediately starts processing and sorting the files. Now you have two more folders, Processed Videos and Thumbnails. Copy-paste the path of the Thumbnails folder and click OK. Now, all you have to do is name your project, enter your query, here we'll search for a bear, and click on Search. You can also search based on an image rather than text. It takes a few seconds to start, and voila! Bear pictures. In your root folder, you will find a results folder with a shortcut to all your files. That's it. Thank you for watching.